How to fix data is not working in phone 4a. First of all, turn on or turn off flight mode. Open setting now. In settings, scroll down, click on network and internet. Now here you see airplane mode. And if you want to turn on flight mode, then turn on this button. After turning on this button, turn on flight mode from your phone. And if you want to turn off flight mode, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off flight mode from your phone. By this button you can turn on or turn off flight mode from your phone. Now go back. After that, check network. Open settings, scroll down, click on network and internet, click on SIM and mobile network. Now check network. After check network, now go back. After that, reset network setting. Open settings, scroll down, click on system, click on reset option, click on reset mobile network setting and click on reset setting. After click on reset setting, mobile network setting will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, factory data reset. Open setting, scroll down, again click on system, again click on reset option, click on erase all data, factory reset and click on erase all data. After click on erase all data, music, photo, picture, video will be erased or deleted from your phone. This is how you can fix mobile data is not working in phone 4a. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.